So if we talk about groin hernias happen on the lower part of the abdomen or the upper part of the thigh. So when you cough, when you sneeze, when you pick up heavy objects, anything that increases the pressure of the abdomen, the hernia bulges out. So that is how the patient usually comes to know he has a hernia or not. So if you have one that is bulging out when you cough or sneeze, or it starts hurting, or it is so big that it is apparent, so that is the time you need to see your surgeon, and he'll decide on what kind of a treatment you need. Whether you need a laparoscopic surgery or an open surgery, it all depends on the expertise of the surgeon, your fitness, whether you have comorbidities, whether you are obese, whether basically the anesthetists will give you fitness or not. Under general anesthesia, the laparoscopic surgeries are done. So basically, if you are not fit, then we have to do it under some special kind of a blocks, or even under local anesthesia. So for laparoscopic and robotic surgeries, we definitely need your fitness for anesthesia. So when you see your surgeon, he'll tell you to come on a particular day of surgery with a particular set of investigations, and completely fasting. We might be admitted on the same day of surgery or on the day previous to the surgery. So after you get admitted, the anesthetist comes, checks your pulse, blood pressure and stuff, and your investigations, and then you are posted for surgery the next day. So if you have doubts or if you have queries, a lot of questions come up to your mind. So you can always call me on the number that will be displayed below, or my email address will also be there. For confidentiality purpose, you will be rest assured that your queries, your names, your numbers will not be shared with anyone.